get how to find like the fractions. I get that like the gray is a half and the white is a third, but the black just doesn't make sense to me.
Okay, and we're not doing. You can say that's a fraction there. That totally works.
But it's 50% and 30%.
So let's change that to percentages, okay?
So is it 50% and 30%?
50% and 33%.
33%?
Because that's a third, right?
Oh.
But it could be. Okay, you're not going to say half a percent because that's what you just wrote.
I'm thinking this is like 6% the black.
You can sit right here and talk.
Because I
she
split.
Knows that's 33. And what's the black again?
I think it's 6%.
Oh no, the gray.
Oh, the gray is like 50%.
Okay, so Zoe, what should she do after that? Do you know what to do?
I'm also confused.
Thank you. Okay, can somebody ask a question? Not tell them, but ask them a question that'll lead them to the answer. Okay, Lucas, what did you get? Zoe just got it. What?
Okay, so I know that if you do another line right here, that would be another third.
Oh.
So half of a third, I'm not quite sure what that is, but it would be it'd be half of a third.
That's 33.
Half of 33, which would be
something close.
16 and a half?
Go ahead and write down 16.
And then...
Okay, but this is when you're done doing this, what should you do?
33 plus 16 is 99.
Okay, so it's 99. So what would be a better estimate for that 16?
17.
17.
Sorry.
Okay.
Really? Oh my god.
Okay, Zoe. When you know two of the fractions or percentages, what do you do about the third one? How do you find the third one? If you know two of them.
How did you find the 17?
Well, what I would have done is 50 plus 33 minus 100, which is 1 whole, and that would get me the missing percent.
Well, the way I did it is that if you did another line right here, that would be another third, and half of a third would be like 16 and a half. So
Which you would round up.
And I would round it up, so it'd be 17.
Why don't you use calculator?
You can, but we're trying to. Part of this is estimating, and I think that's the thing that you get a little uncomfortable with, and they need to be estimates. So that if you're off by 1%, 2%, 3% on these, it's not a big deal. They just want you to be able to make a good estimate. But if you add up all those percentages, Cameron, what should they add up to each time? 100, because 100% is the same as what? 1 whole. Good job. Okay, Cameron, take the microphone and do the next one.
I just saw that this was a third.
You're right. So. And then, what do you think the white is? Make an estimate.
The white would be
Just take a guess.
1/4. I don't know.
Does the white look?
I don't know.
It's almost 1/2.
I don't know.
It's almost
1/2. 11%.
Okay, but if a half is 50%, then what's a little less than 50%?
48%.
Okay, so put 48. 48. Who had 49? All of those work. 48, 49. Anybody put 46?
I put 45.
Okay, 45 is also.
When I did to figure the rest out, the black spot, I added 33 plus 48.
Add 33 plus 48, Cameron.
Yeah, and whatever.
So 33 plus 48 is 86. 81?
It's 81. Okay, write down 100 minus 81.
Minus 81.
50 plus 33 is 83 plus 27 would be 100.
Let me take a look. Wait, why is Cameron? Do you know why he's subtracting that?
To find your answer, because if you subtract those, then you're going to get your answer.
Yeah. You can make that go away. Good job.
What do you think it is?
Um, 19?
It is 19.
So what would this be?
19%.
That's it.
So
Let's
now,
do that.
now
Let's save that as part 1. Cameron, you want to go there? You gotta hit the orange button.